welcome to my session. This is Absolutely React class. So there I would like to tell you about how to create first React app. Means whenever we want to create one app in React.js, we need to create first file that is known as React app. How we can create that React app by using DOS-Mod. So I will tell you very in detail information regarding to create React first app. For that, what we need to do is we need to open our command prompt, whatever having in our system. So by default, it's having like this. So I will change my path, whatever it is. So I will select my path as like this. I would like to go with G drive. Okay, I will select G drive. There I had some files, dir, and I want to create file in, I will select the D drive. So there I had some files. So dir, there we can see, I had some files. I'm doing every file, every source files in my folder only. So that is what I will do is I will create this React app in that folder only. So I will select that folder and cd React.js hyphen and class hyphen and source stores files. There I have some files. You can see that one has CSS class and certain images folder. So those are the folders having about React app. So now I would like to create another React app to create a bootstrap website. So for that, what I will do is this is the most important command to create that folder. npm install -g and create React app. Okay, just enter. Then what is happening is it will start to creating root folder for that folder. So now we need to define the name of the folder. So create React app and need to assign our folder name as bootstrapping PINT. Just I will assign my folder name as my app, React app folder name is bootstrapping. Just hit enter. Now React will install all the root folder related files, whatever we need in React.js. Okay. Let's have a look. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes time to install all the root folder related files, whatever we had in React.js. Now it is installing template dependency files using Node package manager. Yes, we installed npm. Means here in this npm creates a root folder for our website. Let me see where it is. So in D drive, let me see. Here we can see in D drive I created a React.js class source files. There I created this bootstrap folder. So let me see, in dir display the information records. Here we can see bootstrapping is our file. Okay, so means in the drive I created React.js classes source file. There in that I created bootstrap folder. So whatever project you would like to create in React, you need to select this folder only. Means it is having some files also. This is called as a root folder. Bootstrapping is a root folder name. So whatever website I would like to create in React.js, then I need to select this folder only. This folder is having some files related to React.js. That is called as a root folder. So let me see that one. cd and bootstrapping. So see, now we are having in bootstrapping folder. So we can see whatever files it folder had. So just hit like this, display the information records. Now we can see whatever files it is having. This is called as a root folder. So we need to use all these files to execute the React app, means React website. So let me see. Come to the D drive. There in this React class source files, there we can see bootstrapping folder is there. Okay, so just hit a double click on that one. We can see different kinds of folders and files is there. Let me have a look about that one in code editor. So usually everyone using VS Code, Visual Studio Code, to execute the React website, whatever we created root folder by using Node Package Manager. Okay, so recently I created one folder, so it is having like this. Okay, so let me have a look about that one. And now I would like to select just bootstrapping folder. Just open that folder. You need to open that entire folder. Means that is this is a root folder. So now I want to create bootstrap website. For that I assign this folder name as a bootstrap. Okay, so just double click on that one and select a folder. Just to see what happening is, now we are loading the root folder files into VS Code editor, Visual Studio Code editor. That folder name is bootstrap. Okay, so come to the src file. Here we can see all the files whatever React had, and here we can see node modules also be there. Different kinds of modules is there, and public folder is there. Different kinds of files and images files is there. So whenever we want to create any kind of website, first we need to do work on app.js only. Okay, JS means this is JS is a complete JavaScript framework, so that it is having that extension is having in JS only. So I want to also, we successfully created one root folder for React.js in D drive, and we successfully opened the source files and folders in our VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Now I want to see the output of the result, where we can see this output in browser only. We can able to see the output. Whatever we are doing in this React app, it reflects in browser only. So we need to, how we can open that one. So go to the terminal. Then we need to hit on the new terminal. Terminal means whatever DOS mode we are getting some commands. So here also we can execute the npm commands, and we can install all the modules, whatever modules we need. We can send some DOS related modes commands also. So see where it is, where did we get this root folder? So it is having in D drive React class source files. There in the bootstrap is our root folder. So this one is running. So now I want to see this one in browser. Then how we can do that one? npm start start. Just hit enter. Now we can see this terminal renders the output whatever we are having in app.js in browser, our browser. So by default I selected Chrome is my default browser, so my Chrome automatically opens like this. So this one automatically, npm automatically created the root folder, and at the same time it executes the local host also having 3000 IP number. So we can see the preview of React front page. This is the front page. where we can get this icon. Come into the React VS Code editor. We can say import logo from logo SVG. So it is having every logo and images are having in public only. And React, especially in React, we need to select all the images. We need to place all the images in this public folder only. So come to the logo 512.png. We can see that logo. This is the logo, whatever we are seeing in browser, that seems to be like this. Okay, so this is the process to install our React root folder, our React app in our system, and this is the process to open, and here we can execute any kind of website by using different kinds of components, whatever having in React.js. Okay, so keep watching my channel and please subscribe my channel. Day by day I will post a lot of very useful React tips for your requirement. Thank you for watching.